Hi, my name is Matt with MaxTow Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what's included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today I'm going to walk you through what's included with our MaxTow Match 2200 degree exhaust gas temperature gauge for 4th gen Ram trucks. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52 millimeter 2200 degree exhaust gas temperature gauge with an analog and digital factory match display and a dimming button on the front. Also included in the packaging, we have a 6-foot sensor harness with a waterproof connector, a 3-foot EGT probe with a waterproof connector, a 5-foot power harness, mounting bracket with hardware, a gauge visor for sun glare, and installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at maxtow.com.